The mother dog, the puppies, and the shepherd. One day, a mother dog, close to bearing a litter, walked to the sheep pen to ask the shepherd to provide her some space to give birth to her children. The shepherd agreed and set aside part of the pen for the dog. After she had finished giving birth, the dog asked the shepherd if she could continue to live there until her children were fully grown. Again, the shepherd agreed. Some time passed, and when the dog's children were all grown up, the dog told them to chase away all the sheep from the pen and make the pen their home. The sheep and the shepherd were afraid of the dogs and were forced to give up the pen to the dogs in the end. Do not show mercy to evil people.